all over the world. And I have a special someone that is a supporter and defender of our nation, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. My cousin Bobe Torion, he's the attorney of. I'll make him speak to you now, okay? Okay, Bobe.
Hello. Hi. Good morning, everyone. It's 2:41 a.m. here in the Philippines, and I am good that I am still studying. And I received a call from my good-looking cousin, Bing Torion, to address you guys. And I have no other recourse except to do it in order to inform you as to what is happening here in our country today. To the Muslims here who are present there, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What happened actually was that last Saturday, sa kay Presidente Duterte, and nauna po ako sa kanya, and then March 9 ata yun na Sunday nung nagkaroon ng pasasalamat kay Presidente Rodrigo Duterte. And the night before that, my other client, Senator Bato de la Rosa, called me and informed me frantically that he received verified reports that there is already a warrant of arrest issued against him and President Rodrigo Duterte, and he requested me to prepare a petition for accessory aid. And what happened was that I did that right away, and even on the Sunday, we prepared that petition for certiorari, and then on Monday, I already requested my staff in Davao to somehow finalize the petition that we filed, that we prepared. But in the evening of Monday, I received a call from Executive Secretary Lilian Dea to include President Rodrigo Duterte already in the petition. So I was already in the airport during that time, together with Kuya Ite Salvador and my beloved wife. So I somehow amended the petition to include President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. And on a Tuesday, I arrived early morning in Manila, and I was in contact with Attorney Martin Belgra, and we agreed to meet the president in the morning, because in Hong Kong there were lawyers, me included, who suggested to the former president that he should not anymore go back to the Philippines, or at least delay the same. But I think you know our former president, no? He wants to face anything and everything that are filed against him. So he decided the original plan was to go home at 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Tuesday. He even moved it early in the morning. So I was there together with Attorney Martin Belgra in the morning in the airport. But there were so many people already. We were not allowed entry into the cockpit. And because of the confusion, I had to ride the car of Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Sama kami